God is with you. We believe that God is with us. In Zechariah chapter 8 verse 23 states, uh, it says that it's a verse that promises a future time when 10 men from every nation will seek refuge with a Jew, Jewish people, clinging to their robe and saying, "We want to go with you because we have heard that God is with you." This passage highlights God's desire to draw all nations to himself through the Jewish people, symbolizing a profound moment of universal salvation and hope in the presence of God. I needed to think about this passage for a while. I checked out the different translation, and Yahweh of armies was translated Lord of hosts. I think that gives me the different take on this section of Zechariah. It places God at the head of those who trust Him to save them from those who would overcome them and enslave them. Israelites had been ruled by different times by different enemies, usually after they had been unfaithful to Yahweh. This passage made me think of Jesus and the woman with the hemorrhage who held on the hem of his garment, and his was held because she believed that God was with him. It made me wonder if who say that we believe that God is with us, or God enough examples of this belief to have people want to hold the hem of our garments in search of the God who's with us. The world is always in flux, and people of every nation are threatened in one way or another. For some, it is the materialistic anti-God culture. For others, it is anti-Christian culture. And for others, it is the poverty that threatens their existence. But Christianity is often threatened from within. We are so much more alike than different. But Satan has good enough to keep us prey when we finally get together the way Jesus intended. Then Christianity will once again be a force for changing the world. See how they love one another. Well, once again, be the sign of the Christian. Right? Be the sign of a Christian. Lord, we have grasped the skirt of a Jew Jesus to lead us to you. May we hang on to the skirt and live in such a way that others will grab on us, for they will know that you, the Lord, are with your people.